under the neon lights, fragile smile. Fame was loud, the truth stayed quiet a while. They said he was just playing a role, but behind the curtain he lost control. Before the final breath left his chest, he named the ghost no one addressed. 8 more stars, same shattered end, same agency, same broken lens. Contact signed invisibly, promises drowned before we think. When truth knocks hard on a golden door, it's always silence, always ignored. He died a hero in a silent war. Spoke the truth they were hiding for. They said no violence, no crime inside, but shadows don't need fists to fight. He fell alone, but not in vain. His voice